Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm really grateful for amazing comments that you guys gave on my last video. Today I would be discussing Principles of Justice by Plato and what importance it holds in our life. Well, Plato is an ancient Greek philosopher who was active around 400 BCE. So it's really ancient, and he was a disciple of Socrates and he was the teacher of Aristotle. So he lived in a very prolific golden age where thought, rationality, dialogue was really, given importance. Plato saw the loss of Greece at the hands of Athens in Peloponnesian War, and he consumed himself into thinking what can make Greece an ideal state again. So the society in ancient Greece were seen to be corrupted by the teachers who were teaching people how to gain wealth, how to become powerful in the society. According to Sophists were the ancient teachers. According to Sophists, their thinking was might is right. Gain power, gain influence, gain money, and you will be able to be successful in the society. However, Plato said that sophists are teaching wrong things to the student. Right? Rather than guiding, they are misguiding the students. According to Plato, principles of justice can be concluded by the method of dialectics, which is reasoning, questioning, and counter questioning to one's soul. Right? So the principles of justice are something that will appear natural, that will appear second nature, that will appear organic to human. So he devised the principles of dialectics, which is dialogue, which is basically debate, and through which he found the two principles of justice. The first principle being proper placement. Proper placement means that the humans, the people, should occupy that place in the society which for which they are fit, right? How will we find out for what work we are fit? For that, he gave an elaborate education system in which all the students, all the younglings will be placed and they will go through a system of education through which we will find out the tone and tenor of their soul, right? Through which we can find out whether they are man of bronze, man of silver, or man of gold, right? So man of bronze are the producer class. They will be occupying themselves in manufacturing work, production work. Man of silver are courageous people. They will be soldiers. And man of gold are philosopher kings. They are fit to rule the society and they are fit to get the power because they will not be corrupted by power. So, and the second principle of justice is non-interference. That is, one person who is in the producer class should not aspire to get public offices, should not aspire to get public power. So, the two principle of justice is proper placement and not interference. How we can inculcate that in our life, right? Firstly, the first principle, which is proper placement, is something that also is something that it was also told in our Varna system, right? It talked about the fourfold system, right? The four Varnas, according to which the people will do their jobs, the occupation. Well, in reality, that turned out to be very oppressive, and we have done away with it. And it's no longer fashionable or does not find any favor in any section of the society, right? So the first principle, that is finding a proper placement, that we can do through a competitive job market, right? We compete for what we think we are worth, and then the market decides where exactly we fall. The circumstances decide where exactly we fall, right? So once you have found, once you have once you have given your 100% in trying out different fields, and then one, you have to stick with one. You will know it in your soul what you love doing, what you can keep on doing. You have to stick to it, and then keep on doing it again and again and again and again every day till you perfect it. So that is how the first principle can come in our life. Second is non-interference. That is, if I have chosen one field, I should not try and do too much, or I should not try and tell others how to do their job, because they know how to do their job. If we follow these principles of Plato in our life, we can lead a very, very fulfilling life, right? There is a lot of knowledge, lot of wisdom to be found with philosophers, right? It is just that whether we have the patience, we have the time to apply our minds to it, right? So please join my channel, tune into my channel for more content that is going to help you live your life better.